Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we are going to take one more question from previous year SAT question papers. It says, on a number line, the coordinates of points P and R are lowercase p and lowercase r respectively, and given P is less than R. Okay, so let's draw a number line and let's take random values according to the given information. This is the 0 point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Let's suppose I'm taking the value of P is -2 here. This is small p or lowercase p. P is equals to -2. And I'm taking the R as R is more than P. So let's take R is at 4. R is at 4. If the point with coordinate x is closer to P than R, the x point is closer to P. So let's say the x point is 0. I'm assuming some random values. So let's say x is 0, which is nearer to P rather than nearer to R. Okay. X is nearer to P. That's fine. Now, if we look at the point P and R, can you find out the midpoint of P and R? Yes, we can find out the midpoint of P and R. You just add the 2 points. So -2 plus 4, that gives you +2 and divided by 2. Add the 2 points and divide it by 2. So you'll get 1 as your midpoint. So the midpoint of P and R will be 1. Let's say that's M. And how did we get this midpoint? We just add the P plus R and divide it by 2. Right? That's the midpoint. So midpoint is 1, right? And the given point X, it's 0, correct? So can we say this 1 is more than 0? And by the logic, we can also write P plus R over 2, that gives you the midpoint, which is at x equals 1, or you can say at m equals to 1, which is more than the x, which is at 0, which is nearer to P, right? So we can say x is lesser than P plus R over 2, which is the midpoint. So midpoint is 1, which is m, and 0 is the x. So midpoint is more than, the value of midpoint is more than the x coordinate. Then which of the following statements must be true? So your option is B. I just took random values and just checked it. That's it.